But I just wanted to show that, well, everything that we've seen reacting so far has all had oxygen in it. So all the burning reactions we've had have had oxygen. Do things have to have oxygen in order to burn? Can we burn things without using any oxygen? Well, we can. Now, Chris has filled up this apparatus here with another gas, chlorine. Now, chlorine is very poisonous, so we've had to take precautions here to absorb any chlorine that's coming out through the apparatus here. But I wanted to show a reaction now with no oxygen whatsoever. Now, in this balloon is another gas. It's a hydrocarbon called acetylene. And this burns. I should be able to set fire to this. Okay, it burns. Very smoky flame here. Okay, but I need to start this by putting it into the Bunsen flame to get it to burn. So this is acetylene or ethine. So it's 2 carbon atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms in each molecule of this gas. Now, I'm going to put this into the chlorine. So there's no oxygen at all in this. I'm going to turn the tap any second and watch what happens. There we are. As soon as the gases mix, as soon as the acetylene comes into contact with the chlorine, we instantly get a reaction. It's burning, so there's no oxygen in this reaction. This reaction is just chlorine and acetylene. Can we have the lights up, please? So you can see all the carbon that's forming here because the reaction isn't really complete. So it's a very smoky reaction, but nonetheless, this is a reaction involving no oxygen at all. Okay, if we wheel this one away, please, and we'll swap it. So that was a hydrocarbon spontaneously burning in chlorine. Okay, no oxygen at all. We have another flask here. We're going to see if hydrogen can burn in chlorine. Okay, now, the hydrogen needs, this time it doesn't burn all by itself, it needs something to start it, so we're going to use some acetylene, some of the ethine, to start the reaction. So this balloon has the acetylene in, yes? Yes, please, yep. And this balloon has the hydrogen. So I'm going to put the hydrogen balloon into the chlorine. Chris is going to put the ethine or acetylene in. Okay, and I just need the nozzles to meet. That's good. So in a minute I'm going to open mine and Chris is going to open his. So if you open yours then, Chris. Oops. Try again. Okay, and yours off. There we are. So mine is now burning. Just leave yours there, that's fine. But there is no carbon being formed. It's only from the acetylene there. The hydrogen is burning by itself. We can have that one out, thank you. Okay, good. So the hydrogen burnt in the chlorine, so no oxygen there at all. And the reaction that we saw is hydrogen combining with chlorine. No bang, it was just burning very nicely.